Kalabhivardhana is a vibrant and innovative expression of the art, enhancing the essence of it, and is organized by Kala Sandesha Pratisthana of Mysore. Kala Sandesha Pratisthana is a cultural academy and a non-profit organization evolved with a noble mission to serve as an ambassador for the preservation of the traditional values of Indian art, especially in the field of Bharatanatyam. Vidwan Shri K. Sandesh Bhargav, an insightful leader, started the academy in the year 2004. The typical hymn of the academy emphasizes on shaping comprehensive development of an artist. From decades, Kala Sandesha Pratisthana continues to organize state and national cultural festivals such as Kishora Bharata, Nrityopasana and Kalabhivardhana, and providing a favorable platform to young talents with a dedicated emphasis on rural talents. Kalabhivardhana is an art festival started as a mark of decennial celebrations of the Pratisthana and to highlight its many contributions in service to the society. It stands out as a unique teaching academy in Mysore. The festival honors eminent personalities of art fraternity and confers the prestigious awards Natya Kalottunga for dance and Sangeeta Kalottunga for music. This year, 2015, on the very first day of the festival, Sambhavami Yuge Yuge, a unique solo Bharatanatyam dance feature is presented with a theme based on the personality of Lord Krishna is depicted, and it showcases how phenomenal was Sri Krishna in his thoughts and deeds. The gist taken from Karnataka Katha Manjari, written by popular Kannada poet Kumara Vyasa, depicts the process of bringing about Krishna's unique approach with strong message, which lucidly makes Kumara Vyasa stand out all through. Kumara Vyasa's each character in Karnataka Katha Manjari is full of life and is unvaryingly well balanced. This masterpiece is the prosody in Bhamini Shatpadi and will be brilliantly performed by Sri Sandesh Bhargav. Srimati Jyoti Shankar composed this inspired concept and poetry. This dance feature is exquisitely choreographed by Sri Krishna Asthana Nritya Ratna Vidushi Dr. Vasundhara Doreswamy. Kalottunga is a prestigious award conferred on eminent persons who have excelled in the field of art. Kala Sandesha Pratisthana has formed Natya Kalottunga and Sangeeta Kalottunga award committees to select awardees. The award committee of Natya Kalottunga 2015, chaired by Vidushi Dr. Vasundhara Doreswamy, consists of eminent personalities like T.R. Harish, Vidwan Ramamurthy Rao, Vidushi Kripa Phadke and Srimati Savita Ramesh. The award committee unanimously decided to recommend to the Pratisthana to confer the title Natya Kalottunga to the eminent doyen of Bharatanatyam, Natyacharya Sri K. Muralidhara Rao, who hails from Mangalore in Karnataka state. K. Muralidhara Rao has given new dimension to Bharatanatyam through his research and innovations. Sangeeta Kalottunga Award Committee 2015 was presided by Vidwan Dr. Rasa Nandakumar along with Vidwan R.K. Padmanabha, Vidushi Rajalakshmi Sridhar, Vidwan H.K. Narsimhamurthy and Vidwan G.S. Ramanujam. The committee unanimously selected Mridanga Vidwan Sri T.A.S. Mani, an internationally acclaimed musician from Karnataka. T.A.S. Mani is a gifted Mridangam artist. His achievements as a teacher and performer is well known in India and abroad. He is the founder principal of Karnataka College of Percussion which has been actively involved in the teaching of Karnataka music for over 4 decades. We cordially and enthusiastically invite you all for these spectacular and monumental presentations of dance and music, symbolizing the oneness of universal language. These will happen on the 19th, 20th and 21st of September this year around 5:30 p.m. at the world-famous historical place Jagan Mohana Palace Auditorium in Mysuru in Karnataka. Do join us, do support us, and let's unfold the power of art by celebrating its beauty.